Alright, welcome back to the Nurse's Beauty Review. I am doing a video on my nighttime routine on how I remove my makeup and these new products that I'm using. We are going to be testing out these products called Urban Skin RX. I heard that they were pretty awesome products for people who suffer from dark spots and acne blemishing like I do. So I'm willing to give this product a test to see how it does on my skin. I will continue to update you as my skin improves. I have horrible acne, and as a teenager it was even worse, but as an adult it gets better, and some days it gets worse. Sometimes it could be from my makeup, from me not cleaning my makeup brushes, or sometimes it can be from just hormonal in general, and my whole face just breaks out sometimes. And we're going to take off the makeup today, and we're going to be using this stuff called Clean It Zero. It's a makeup removal balm. This is my first time using makeup removal balm. Normally I use makeup wipes, and I think that's what contributes to the breakout also, because sometimes my skin can get very sensitive to certain products. So this is a makeup removal balm, and I guess you just put it on your face and it'll remove the makeup, the oil and everything. You can tell that was a bad experience, but I'm not too sure exactly how to feel about a makeup balm, since I'm used to using makeup wipes instead. I mean, it definitely gets it off, for sure, and I'm pretty sure it got it out of my pores a lot deeper than a makeup wipe would. But if you do use the makeup balm, don't rinse it off your face. Use a towel and wipe it off your face. Okay. I will definitely give it another try. But it's something different. It's definitely different. Something that you would have to get used to using. So we're gonna try out our Urban Skin RX. I have these huge pores sitting here, and with the dark spots, uneven skin tone, and I still have these small blemishes sitting on my face. Like, I feel like a teenager still, and I'm a grown woman. Always been my cheeks and my forehead, and it's been since I was a teenager, and it followed me through adulthood. So for people who feel how I feel, let's see how this works. Okay, so it says the ingredients in here is retinol, vitamin A, which is supposed to exfoliate the dead skin and bring in fresh new skin and encourage the cells to renew and bring in like a glow, I guess. Kojic acid exfoliates the dead skin cells, and it's supposed to improve the appearance of hyperpigmentation. So it's supposed to be, saying goodbye to these little dark spots that's sitting on my face, okay? And then it says niacinamide, which reduces the appearance of redness and irritation. I don't have redness and I don't have irritation. It's just these spots. But for those people who do, this may be just for you. You may need to try it with me just to see how you get a feel out of it too. But it says these 6 key ingredients that work together synergistically to create an even skin tone: azelaic acid, kojic acid, vitamin A, niacinamide, L-glutamine, alpha, albitol. Look, I am a nurse. I am not a dermatologist. I don't specialize in that, okay? I specialize in medical, okay? I'm a med surg nurse. I don't know what some of this stuff means, okay? I can't tell you exactly. The only thing I can get out of this is that it's supposed to make my dark spots go away and bring me fresh new skin. I pray that this is one of those products that will work for my skin and will never get you, my skin will never get used to it, because after I use a product for a while, my skin will literally attach to it and be like, time for a new product. So hopefully this 3-in-1 treatment along with this retinol will definitely help to clear my skin, because that's what I like most about me as a brown woman is my skin. But I have this issue with these marks, and that seems to make me a bit insecure about myself and less confident. And that's why I like to put the makeup on to, you know, to make me feel more confident. And I feel that me aiming to get clearer skin will bring in more confidence to myself. So this is the cleansing. So I feel like that's what I need to sanitize my face after being in the world with the dirt and the wind and all of that. So it comes hard like this, and so I'm pretty sure you have to activate it with water and then put it on your face. When I read it online, I thought it was like an actual bar that you could twist up and, like, you know, scrub your face, but it's not. It's like stuck in here. So I think we have to activate it with water in order to create a cleanser. So it smells like, if you ever use Neutrogena rainwater, that's what it kind of sounds like. There's this soap by Neutrogena called rainwater or something like that. That's kind of what it smells like. And it kind of smells like a perm that has lye in it. Clean edge of my towel and damp it. And this is another way to exfoliate my face too, is with a towel. So I don't like the smell of it, but if this is something that's gonna make my face look better and feel better, I guess that's something that I just have to get used to then, huh? Next thing I bought for the acne treatment is the retinol, and this is the rapid repair and the dark spot corrector. That's one thing I'm so very insecure about, is my dark spots. I'm not a fan of them. And at one point in time, I was using this product and it was helping it, but it was taking a long time for me to see results from the previous product that I was using. So hopefully this doesn't take long. I feel it's smooth. You get this like yellow, creamy looking. Oh, this doesn't smell well either. So in a week, I'll probably post another video to show y'all my results of how it treated my skin. I'll post an update video, just for my followers, just to see how this product worked for me. I'm not too sure about it. I don't know. I'm not feeling the smell at all. I guess you can compare it to a perm. You don't like the smell, but it definitely gives you the look that you want and need. You know, smooth it back. Like, but yeah, like, it burns, it stings. So we're gonna see how it is in a week. I'll wash my face twice a day, and then we'll see what the results are like at the end of the weeks. Continue to tell your people to subscribe to my channel, because this is a great channel. So tell your family, tell your friends, tell your mom, your grandmother, if she know how to work YouTube, to subscribe to my channel.